I've learned from life only. Never depend upon anybody. Whatever you can do, only you can do. Nobody is there to help you. And since I have taken this lesson, I feel very nice and relieved. तसल्ली हो गई है. They have started to learn living by without their mother. The little one is more closer to me because at night she won't sleep without me. Yeah. Now people think that we are like past. But I want to show them that there's no such thing as past and present. If one song of yours click, that's more than enough for people to remember you again.
Ready, stand by. And 1, 2, 3.
मधुबन में जो कन्हैया किसी को पीस मिले, कभी मुस्कान.
हम ये चिढ़ाती है, कभी मुस्काए, वो एक्सप्रेशन से, कभी छेड़े, कभी बात करे. राधा के अब चल कर आती है राधा, पहले उसके पास दादागिरी से राधा के से न चले.
मधुबन में जो कन्हैया किसी को पीस मिले, कभी मुस्काए, कभी छेड़े, कभी बात करे. राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले, आग तन मन में लगे. राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले.
ऐसा पूछो कि शी इज अगेन बिकमिंग वेरी फिल्मी. ये तो है, ये बेटर लगेगा.
मधुबन में जो कन्हैया किसी को पीस मिले, कभी मुस्काए, कभी छेड़े, कभी बात करे. राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले, आग तन मन में लगे. राधा कैसे न जले, राधा कैसे न जले.
Khushi, I'm not there for last 3 days. No puppy, nothing. I've been working day night. I haven't seen your faces. 8 दिन मैं नहीं मिली हूँ तुम लोगों को. 8 दिन डे नाइट किया है. कहाँ? जब आऊँ सोते रहते, जब जाऊँ सोते रहते, है ना. फिर आउटडोर चली गई 3 दिन. वो 11 दिन से नहीं मिली हूँ. ये बच्चा है. मेरे मम्मी डैडी आए पाकिस्तान से, कराची. डैडी तो बहुत अमीर थे, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान ने उन्हें चटाई के सिवा और कुछ नहीं दिया. वी वेंट टू माहिम, We had one room in PWD Chal, which was attached to police station, Mahim police station. मैं पैदा हुई आफ्टर पार्टीशन. जब मैं कुछ 3 साल 2.5 साल की थी, मेरी माँ ने देखा कि मैं दीवार के ऊपर जो साया पड़ता है मेरा, उसको देख के कुछ हाथ हिला रही. तो अचानक ये ऐसा करते हुए देखा तो मम्मी समझी मैं पागल हूँ. तो मुझे डॉक्टर के पास लेके गई और बोली मेरी बेटी ना कुछ साए को देख के ऐसा करती है. तो डॉक्टर ने बोला तो क्या हुआ, अगर उसको डांस करने को दिल है तो नाचने दो, वैसा भी तुम लोगों को पैसे की कमी है तो इसको फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में डाल दो.
चांद जहाँ वो जाए मेरे साथ चले जाना, वो और मीना कुमारी का मेरा गाना था, वो बहुत याद आता है. फिर लहराए जिया बल खाए जिया, वो गाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो वो अदाएं हमें अभी तक पसंद है. हम लोग पूरा म्यूज़िक और अंतरा पूरा एक साथ लेते थे. अभी की जनरेशन में क्या है कि ऐसे किया कट, ऐसे किया कट, ऐसे किया कट, ऐसे किया कट. हाँ, मेरे साथ काम किया था, मुझे नाम याद नहीं है, लेकिन सरोज वाज एज अ चाइल्ड स्टार.
श्यामा का बचपना करना था ड्रीम में कि चांद पे बैठ के वो गाना गा रही है. दैट वाज मी. Baby Naz was senior to me, but she didn't know how to dance. I was junior to her and I was an expert dancer in that age also. So we both were called for a picture called Agosh. And she's supposed to be Krishna and I'm Radha because I can dance. So they sent us to Maganlal Dresswala that go and get dressed up as Krishna and Radha. So we wore the dress and we were coming down and we both were talking about school. Suddenly when old man and a woman were climbing up and they saw us, we both stood still. They went down on their knees. They thought we were really Krishna and Radha giving them darshan. We both winked at each other and we jumped over them and ran down. So when they opened their eyes, we are not
कोई भी कलर. तुमको क्या चाहिए?
Past baby, you're late. See, it's past 12 o'clock. Put your leg up. इतनी देर तक सोती है. क्यों लेट सोते हो रात को? Breathe slowly, slowly. I will not hurt you. We have an age now where we are not required as a child star, neither grown-ups. That was my age at 10. I was lost what to do. So good friends were there. They suggested, why don't you become a group dancer, what you call as background dancer now. My first group dance was with darling Madhubala. She was singing that song. And I'm dancing in the group. I'm dressed up as a boy, guiding a girl. The girl was Hamida and I was Saroj. And we did that first group dance. You can see me properly.
एक्चुअली मुझे डॉक्टर बनने का शौक था, लेकिन पता चले बन गए डांसर। सरोज को शौक था, मतलब एक तो स्कूल में पढ़ने जाती थी, तो शायद मुझे लगता बुक्स लेके बेचारी स्कूल जाती होगी, स्कूल से शूटिंग में आती होगी, तो उसको स्कर्ट ब्लाउज पहनने के मतलब वेस्टर्नाइज रहने की बहुत शौक था उसको। जीन्स वीन्स ऐसे, बाल भी कट्टे कट्टे रहते थे उसके, वो कभी एक छोटी नहीं बनी। तो जब ग्रुप डांस हम लोग करते थे तो इसको कुछ कुदरती आदत थी लेट आने की कभी कभी। तो सरोज जी का ये होता था कि पकड़े किसको, तो शीला कोई पकड़े। मुझे बोले शीला कोई पूछेगा कि सरोज कहाँ गई, आई नहीं कि अभी तक, तो बोलना आ तो गई है लेकिन बाथरूम गई है। तो हम लोग फिल्मी सन में सीढ़ी के नीचे बैठ के दोनों मेकअप कर लिया करते थे, और सेट पे जाने के बाद पता भी किसको नहीं चलता था कि कौन लेट आया कौन जल्दी आया।
By the time I was 10 and a half, I had 4 sisters behind me and 1 brother. My brother was 1 year when my father died. And we were in very bad condition. Means सुबह होता था खाने के लिए तो रात को नहीं होता था. So how mummy used to manage? She used to put one bartan on the stove with water and close it. And tell us to go to sleep. कि तुम सो जाओ, जब पक जाएगा तो उठा लूँगी. And our neighbor was a Malbari man who had a भजिए का, you know. तो जब शाम होती थी, जितना भजिया बचता था ना, वो और ब्रेड डाल के वो मेरी माँ को देता था. तो मम्मी बोलती थी नहीं नहीं हमको नहीं चाहिए. तो मम्मी को डांट के बोलता था तुम मत खाओ, तुम बर्दाश्त कर सकते, बच्चों को तो खिलाओ, उन्होंने क्या गुनाह किया. सो वी वर लाइक रेज्ड ऑन प्याज का भजिया एंड ब्रेड. एंड माई पोर मदर, हाउ शी सफर्ड. आई रिमेंबर इन दोज डेज आई हैड आस्क्ड शशि कपूर फॉर हेल्प. ऐसे शशि जी मेरे घर में कुछ भी नहीं है. आई वॉज अ ग्रुप डांसर. वी जस्ट फिनिश्ड वन ग्रुप विथ हिम. So he was standing near makeup room. I couldn't think of anything else. I went to him and I said, कल दिवाली है, मेरे घर में कुछ भी नहीं है, ये पेमेंट मिलेगी मेरे को 7 दिन बाद. So he says, मेरे पास सरोज जी इस वक्त 200 रुपये हैं, आप ले लीजिए. I won't forget that 200 helped me so much. Up till today I have never returned him that 200. I wanted to be with me. चलो 1 2 3 4 पैर घुमाना, 3 4. मेहंदी वो देखेंगे. 3 4. क्रॉस नहीं करना, क्रॉस नहीं करना. हाथों में इतना तकलीफ करेगी नीचे जाने की। हाँ
मेहंदी है कचरी वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहीं सखियां
अब जंप करो।
हाथों में खिले खाली, मेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली।
डांस के ग्रुप में लड़कियां जो होती थी वो सिलेक्टेड होती थी पहले, ऐसे नहीं कि कोई भी आए चलते ना। तो उसमें ये सरोज जी भी थी। सरोज जी की मुलाकात तो पहले ही हुई थी, लेकिन ताजमहल में उनके साथ मेरे को जाना ये हुआ कि कव्वाली में ये ज़्यादा आगे रहती थी और डांसेस में आगे रहती थी, क्योंकि ताजमहल में तो क्लासिकल का थोड़ा सा रूप था, तो आंखों के एक्सप्रेशंस और लिप्स के एक्सप्रेशंस वगैरह वो सरोज जी ज़्यादा दिखाती थी। जब मिलन मोहनदास की कव्वाली चल रही थी उसके बाजू में सरोज जी थी, थोड़ी सी एक क्रॉस छोड़ के दूसरे क्रॉस में होती है।
इस दुनिया में होती है मोहब्बत, क्या कहिए ये जी क्या कहिए।
डायरेक्टर थे सादिक बाबू, उनको मैंने कहा सादिक साहब, मैंने कहा इनको थोड़ा सा इस लड़की को इधर ले, तुम बोल रहे हो तो सही है, लेकिन इस लड़की को यहाँ लूँगा तो जो मेन सिंगर है वो मार खाएगी।
तुम हमें जीत सको इसका इम्कान नहीं, खुद को बदनाम करें हम नादान नहीं।
मैं जो देखा जाए तो सरोज जी के ऊपर बहुत फिदा था।
पहचान नहीं तुमको अरमान है कहाँ, हमको अरमान नहीं, हमको अरमान के अरमान नहीं।
Well, I was not allowed to see many films like, but whatever little I could gather, from a few films that maybe, very faintly, they were all sort of a very light, movements and more of facial expressions and not much of hand movements and not much of footwork. Something which had to do with classical or our rich folklore, which is so vibrant and rich. So, which got incorporated when I started with my first film. My grandmother had come to know about Sohan Lal ji and Hira Lal ji, and they were Kathak dancers, the family of Kathak dancers following the Banaras Gharana. And they were in Bangalore, they were settled there. So my grandmother got to know, and she said it would be nice because they are Rajasthani people, and if they come and teach you, it will be very authentic. They were, very fine gestures and very fine movements, very graceful at the same time, and not leaving even one little stroke, one little, even that, a flicker of the eye or, the jerk or whatever. Everything was absolutely timed. And they brought in this kind of dance, what I would say, regular dance.
Master Ji never had an assistant. He used to compose, मैं अपनी लैंग्वेज में बताती, beginning music on you, then अंतरा on her, बीच का म्यूज़िक ये लड़की पे, फिर मुखड़ा इस लड़की पे. सो जब आर्टिस्ट आता है ये भी बताती है, तुम भी बताते हो, ये भी बताती है, ऐसा गाना डिवाइड कर देते थे.
वो क्या करती थी ना, ग्रुप में नाचते नाचते सोलो पूरा याद कर लेती थी. अगर आप सोनलाल मास्टर जी हैं, मैं सरोज हूँ और ये ग्रुप का डांस चल रहा है, ये मेन डांस का पूरा याद कर लेते थे। उसको सोनलाल मास्टर जी उधर से बुलाते थे, इधर आओ।
तुम मेरा मूवमेंट कॉपी कर रहे हैं, ही इज आस्किंग मी। तो मैं बोली नहीं मास्टर जी, मैं आपका मूवमेंट कॉपी करके कहाँ लेके जाऊँगी। तो बोले नहीं, तुम तो हेलन का मूवमेंट कर रहे थे। मैंने कहा हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा, आप बहुत अच्छा कंपोज किए। अच्छा तो मैं तुमको बोलूँगा हेलेन का पूरा डांस बताओ, तो बता देंगे। मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं, आई वॉन्टेड अ चांस टू डांस इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एंड आई डिड द होल थिंग।
एक ज़रा भी मूवमेंट इधर से उधर नहीं। तो मास्टर जी को ऐसा लगता था ये इतना होशियार, उसकी ये मेन खूबी है। मतलब मास्टर ने उसको सिखाया नहीं, वो देख के याद कर लेते थे। ये इसकी बहुत बड़ी खूबी है।
That's how I became an assistant of his at such a young age. And first lady to teach was Vaijayanti Mala. It was a classical number, Pavan Diwani Namane Udaye Mora Gungta.
What I noticed in Saroj, my first, impression is this young girl, my God, look how she's grasped the whole thing, she doing all the rehearsals, part. And Sonlal ji would have choreographed the whole thing, the whole song. And she knew each and every moment she would do the whole thing, like she was so intelligent and so quick to grasp. And even the minutest things, the minutest, the look and the jerks and all that, she would keep noting, acha. And then when I did it, she would keep looking at me, that I was doing okay. And I used to look at her, this young girl, but what is there? Age has nothing to do, and I would appreciate that because she had so much of talent.
उलझी लट हमारी लिपटी मोरी साड़ी, पथ पे कोई जैसे मारे पिचकारी।
उलझी लट हमारी लिपटी मोरी साड़ी, पथ पे कोई जैसे मारे।
She was a young girl, little girl, Hey, Saroj, come here, come, Hanji,
Oh my God, it was golden period when I came in, because people were so sincere towards their work. I used to feel every time I entered a studio, it's like entering a temple. All lightmen, everybody sitting up, finish the lighting. Then Master Ji will make me dance the whole song once. And they used to wait for that moment, those lightmen. I would dance and they would clap from up. That made my day. I was favorite of everybody. When I enter a studio means I'm going to dance.
हुस्न से है दुनिया हसी, इश्क से है दिल का यकीन, ये जो नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं, हर दिल में है तो पता नहीं, हर दिल में
There was a time when I did 6 months course as a nurse, and I did job in KM hospital. Then I had passed my typewriting and shorthand course. So I went in for telephone receptionist in Glaxo company, Worli. Then I became a makeup man. I became assistant choreographer at the age of 12 and a half. Within that period, I've done all this also. So I can say that I have labored too hard to reach this standard.
उस वक्त तक हिस्ट्री में 80 साल के कभी नहीं हुआ था कि स्टेज पे गाना चल रहा है लेकिन ऑडियंस बैठी नहीं, कोई चेयर्स ही नहीं है। मैंने कहा सारे खड़े हैं, सारे वाइल्ड हैं, सारे अपना कपड़े उतार उतार के उड़ा रहे हैं, इतना वाइल्ड डांस मुझे चाहिए। जब पहली बार इन्होंने कंपोज किया गाना डांस और मुझे बोला कि आप एक बार आकर के फाइनल कर लो उसकी मूवमेंट्स, और उसके बाद अगर मूवमेंट्स ओके हो गई तो फिर मैं माधुरी को ला करके उसका रिहर्स करवाऊंगी। तो मैं गया और जो सिग्नेचर ट्यून ही देखा मैंने ना, तो मुझे लगा कि यस, शी हैज हिट द राइट नोट। और उसका सबसे बड़ी जो जिसको बोलते हैं, आपको ये मिलती है ना, एक ट्रॉफी मिलती है कि आप जिसको बोलते हैं कि यस यू हैव डन अ ग्रेट जॉब। फिल्म फेयर ने फर्स्ट टाइम उस गाने को देख करके कोरियोग्राफी का अवार्ड शुरू किया। उसके पहले कोरियोग्राफी का अवार्ड नहीं दिया जाता था फिल्म फेयर में। दैट वाज द फर्स्ट ईयर दे स्टार्टेड इट एंड सरोज जी वोन दैट एड।
Thanks a lot, folks, and mainly thank you to Subhash Ghai for showing me this day. Thank you.
3 cheers to this little fat girl who dances better than the many stars. Cheers!
सुभाष जी की आदत बहुत है चिल्लाने की, तो इनको टर्न टर्न करा करा के हालत कर दी थी। इधर टर्न दो और टर्न दो इनको। शी नियरली हैड टीयर्स इन आईज। तब मैं बोली, मैंने कहा एमडी तू फिक्र मत कर, इनकी आदत है, जस्ट यहाँ से सुन और यहाँ से निकाल दे। मैं बोली नहीं हो सकेगा तेरे से काम अगर इनके तुम।
और पता है VGP गार्डन्स में वो स्लैब, इट वाज सो हॉट, I couldn't stand on it, let alone do that गिर 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 गिर। याद है वो टक 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 वो मूवमेंट थी उसके ऊपर, तो पानी फेंक रहे थे bare feet and they were throwing water on that so it cools down while I'm doing the movement. It was terrible. मैंने बोला ये क्या है सरोज जी, I never thought film dancing is so difficult. सरोज जी took it as a challenge. वो बोली आज तक वो लड़की सिर्फ इंडियन नाची है बोल के।
मैंने माधुरी को एक बात बहुत क्लियर समझाई थी कि तुम कुछ मत करो, जब तुम्हें को समझ नहीं आए कि क्या हो रहा है तो सरोज को वॉच करो और बिल्कुल सरोज को कॉपी कर लो। अगर तुमने इनका 100% नहीं 70% भी दिया, यू आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी बिग स्टार। तो मैं देखता था जब भी वो कंपोज करते थे, माधुरी उसको बहुत ध्यान से देखती थी, जो भी मोमेंट्स हैं उसको बहुत ध्यान से करके शी वुड अडॉप्ट इट एंड शी इज़ ए ब्यूटीफुल, शी हैड ए ग्रेट फेस। वो एडवांटेज माधुरी को बहुत था, नहीं तो डांसर सरोज खानी बेटर थी उससे, आज भी और कल भी।
The song that we really enjoyed doing together was Choli Ke Piche Kya Hai, because a lot of folk movements, a lot of movements that you don't see in the movies, like the one with the lehenga, the one where you turn. Yeah, those steps, I mean, you don't see them. And she comes out with these little things and I was just open your closet, get in and get all these things out, because these are the things she has learned from, you know, the Maharathis of Indian dancing.
Yeah.
And she has like a treasury, you know, of all these things.
मेरे को सेंसर ने बुलाया था, धक धक करने लगा। शी सिटिंग डाउन, दे वांटेड टू कट आउट द होल मुखड़ा, सो दे वर पेट्रिफाइड, इंदु ईरानी एंड ऑल ऑफ देम। दे सेड कम अलोंग विथ अस, see what they are saying, what you can help us. I went. There was a lady over there. She was Sindhi and she was wearing chicken blouse where her body could be seen through, and she was wearing high heels. She told me, she says, you're shaking deliberately. We don't like that. So I said, yes. I said, ma'am, just get up. Why? I said, I just want to show you something. What? I said, get up. She got up. I said, just walk. So she had high heels. I noticed that when you have high heels, your hip movement automatically goes, whether you like it or not, because you're balancing yourself. So the hip moves. So I told her, I said, now you're shaking deliberately. She said, what? I said, your bums are going right, left, right, left. So when I dance, I have to shake more to show that I'm dancing. And she says, dhak, dhak. From where will that sound come? Except from the heart. And where is the heart? Near my bust line. So I have to show dhak, dhak. Otherwise I can't show through the bum. Dhak, dhak. She was convinced and she left it.
ये जोग लिया किस कारण, ये रोग लिया किस कारण, ये जोग लिया किस कारण, ये रोग लिया किस कारण.
एक जोगन देखी बस्ती में, एक मौज उठी तो मस्ती में. एक जोगन देखी बस्ती में, एक मौज उठी तो मस्ती में. दिल भी आया, मैं भी आया, मैं प्रेम बयाना भी आया, मैं भी आया, मैं जी आया.
सोचती हूँ कि कब डांस मेरी ज़िंदगी बन गया, तो वही पीरियड याद आता है जब मास्टर जी के साथ मैं किसी और डांसर को देखती थी कि ये उन पे कंपोज करते, तो मेरी जान जल जाती थी. दैट्स द टाइम आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग कि मैं सिर्फ सोहनलाल को प्यार नहीं करती हूँ, मैं उनके काम को प्यार करती हूँ, कि आई कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट हिज डांसेस. सो spiritual, you can say, where I stand over there, I feel my master in me. It is just he comes and he does the job and finishes it.
The greatest tragedy of the making of Shringaram was that we didn't do a making of the film. Because I remember one incident when she was choreographing a very pure classical piece called a Padam, you know. And it's about the second heroine dancing to the collector, where she has to subtly seduce him with her sensuality and, you know, all that. And there was one line in the film where the heroine is, in that song, the heroine of that song is waiting for her lover to come. And there's just a very, very simple line which says, I was decorating and braiding my hair and waiting for you in anticipation. That's all the line was. So Saroji performed to that. She did something to that. And both the heroine and I were speechless, you know. Because in that one line, she gave me 16 different expressions: anticipation, anxiety, breathlessness, tension, excitement, worry, all of that. She gave me 16, we actually counted. Me and the heroine actually counted. Speechless. She got nervous, you know, she sort of snapped out of that mood and she said, मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? And subsequently, she was invited by one of the most purest sabhas of Chennai, completely classical sabhas called the Sri Krishna Gana Sabha, which is one of the premier sabhas here, only for classical arts. She was one of the persons who was invited to give a lecture demonstration. They never ever invite people from cinema like that, usually, and never from Bollywood, you know. But I think people have understood who Saroji is.
When I met Sohan Lalji and he started feeding me this Indian dance, it started going in me that I have done nothing in my life. I can't keep a posture. I don't know how to do this. For me, it was a new type of dance. And then, of course, he took a lot of interest on me so that I become a proper dancer. And he really made me a very, very, very good dancer. In that process, I fell in love with him. Yes, he was 43, I was 13. But I didn't feel that way because he gave me something which no one can give. He gave me bread and butter. He gave me name. Today, if I'm known for my dance, it's because of him. He could have created another Saroj. It wouldn't have been difficult for him. But I wouldn't have got another master. He made me work very hard, but for my own good. He used to make me stand in one posture for three hours. He wouldn't let me move my eyeballs also. I would keep on crying, but he'll say, I'm sorry, your postures are not perfect. Tomorrow you'll teach anybody, what will you teach? He gave me lots. What I gave him was nothing.
जितनी स्ट्रगल सरोज खान ने की है कि जो मैं सुनता था कि इस लड़की ने एज ए कोरस डांसर शुरू किया और सालों तक कोरस डांसर रही, फिर ये असिस्टेंट रही तो सालों तक असिस्टेंट रही, किसी ने इसको देखा भी नहीं. एंड शी वॉज थ्रोन आउट मैनी टाइम्स. सो उसका जो पास्ट था वो एक बहुत ही ग्रीव्ड एंड सैड एंड बिटर पास्ट था. लेकिन उनके जो सैड बिटर पास्ट थे वो उनके डांस में निकलता. That's why you could see when she gives the painful expression, she can give it because she had gone through that hardship.
Everybody knew that I married Sohan Lalji, and everybody knew how wild I was before and how I have become. Like I used to wear long sleeves, full tight neck, with big sindoor tika, maang bhari hui. Always 24 hours I would have red bangles, 24 bangles, this both hands. One would break, I would go to the bangle wala and put that one bangle. I was so much in love with that man, maybe in love with his dance, that I changed my life completely. But when my son was 6 months old and I was pregnant, 6 months old, and he walked out on me. That was the night when I got very wild. I took my son, I went at home, I told my mother, from here onwards, that man is not entering my house. Finish is finish. I removed the tika, opened my hair. That same night I went for a dance.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
शी वॉज ए लोनली गर्ल इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग ए फैमिली. उसका रोलर कोस्टर चलता ही रहा, कभी यहाँ कभी वहाँ कभी वहाँ कभी यहाँ. ये वो आर्टिस्ट की कहानी है सरोज खान, जिसके कि फैमिली और जो पर्सनल लाइफ है वो कभी भी पीसफुल नहीं रही.
Camera, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. आगे 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
Sanjay Gupta ji हैं. He had supplied me the capsules for my daughter. Hello. हाँ बेटा. She is very sick. She has no strength to walk. We have to carry her 4 people. अगर कुर्सी पे बैठ गई, I cannot alone make her stand. At least 4 people are required to make her stand. खोपरे का तेल लगा लगा के. What to do? Worrying about what's going to happen after I'm not there. My children are in the brain still kids, depending on me. That gets me worried. Then I think my father left me. We managed. They will also manage. My family is very important to me. But my children don't understand me. घर में बर्तन हैं वो तो खटकते ही रहते. It's all in life. I don't feel bad. My mother was the only one whom I used to tell everything. Or my father. More my father. We were like friends. We used to read novels together. Any sentence which I can't understand, he would explain me very nicely. So he was my best friend. God is very kind. He has given me this life where I can survive. Otherwise I wouldn't have been able to, because I'm too sentimental. I get into my work and that's like a soothing balm on me. It helps me to be away from everyone.
If it's a big dance number, चाहे निम्बूड़ा हो, चाहे हेलन आंटी का गाते थे पहले अकेले हो इन खामोशी, you have to think of Saroj Khan. Because Saroj Khan के पास, I feel she has the legacy of great classical adaptation of Indian classical dance in Bollywood. Now, she understands not necessarily classical dance in a pure classical way, like कथक वो बिरजू महाराज जी जितना नहीं समझेगी, पर कथक का यूज़ फिल्म सॉन्ग और फिल्म डांस में कैसे किया जाता है वो उनको बहुत अच्छी तरह से आता है. एंड ऑफ फोक एलिमेंट हो या क्लासिकल एलिमेंट हो या इंडियन एक्सप्रेशंस की ज़रूरत हो, तो सरोज खान से बेटर कोई है ही नहीं और कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. मार mandala is a classic example of if it comes, 6 mandalas come together or 4, each one is different, followed by the next 4 mandalas, each one is different, followed by the next 5 mandalas, each mandala is different. बहुत मुश्किल होती थी एक्टरों को उनकी चीज़ें, उनकी न्यूएंसेस, बिकॉज मार का एक डॉट एक्सप्रेशन है, डाला का, और डाला के अंदर ला के ऊपर एक एक्स्ट्रा बीट पकड़ के कुछ और करके, and I would just keep wondering where, understand, instincts of a rhythm playing, and Saroji just moves.
मार डाला, मार डाला, मार डाला, मार डाला.
And great pleasure to work with, temperamental, wild, very expressive, 100 watts, she's there. She was like a school to me. She was like an institution of how to shoot a dance song. One day she called very excited. She says, "Ek kamal ki cheez ho gayi hai." And I went and she did the signature Dola Re Dola, the step which Madhuri and Aishwarya do. And I just got up and clapped because it was simple. It was going to be caught on by everybody. It caught the beat beautifully. It expressed the song beautifully. It was just a master stroke. Saroji operates completely on instincts. This is the song, so she'd come from here and she'd go over here. What do you want to do? So I devised a shot. She said, no, this is not the right way to go. This movement you should see it from here. So we would devise a movement from here. Sometimes I'd say, Saroji, I don't like this. I want my camera to be here. So you change your movement. You let the girls run from there. You could keep that space dynamized all the time. She dynamized in Dola Re Dola, constant background, foreground, every kind of space का जो use किया है, वो कोई choreographer ने maybe होटो पे ऐसी बातों से, only when that used space in so many various permutation combinations with the camera. The magical part of it is all through Dola Re Dola, she was in excruciating pain. She had some illness which she would lie down on the floor in Filmistan and she would say, ye karo, wahan se ye karo. All lying down with medicines being taken, man, they're pressing the... She was in pain. She says, I can't walk. But she says 15 days she shot Dola Re Dola. Out of which 10 days, then again when Devdas released, and she was very unwell. I think that sickness had finally taken its at that point of time. And she was in the ICU. And Aishwarya and me finished the first screening of the film in a theatre and went to her in the ICU in the night. And she was not really registered. I said, Saroji, Sanjay, Aishwarya hai, yahan hum dono aaye hain. Dola Re Dola pe CT baji ki nahi? She asked me in that intoxicated or what that stage was. You know, I started crying because I couldn't believe that one could love, that when you're not well, you're not registering anything, you're not completely conscious. Wo paise ude ki nahi is a question. That is the madness. That is why Saroj Khan is what she is. That is why I'm sitting here and answering on a documentary on her, because you don't find them anymore.
और ये बड़ा पैर बड़ा, क्योंकि एक एक सिंगल बीट ले रहे हैं, उसको फिलअप करो, ज़्यादा पैर लो, ज़्यादा पीछे जाओ. हाँ सरोज बोल रही हूँ. बस जो अल्लाह को मंजूर, लिवर फेल हो गया. और सिर्फ यहाँ से लेके यूँ मार दो। कहाँ? करेक्ट। 4 हो गया। हेलो जानवी। बेटा कुकू की डेथ का मालूम पड़ा ना?
मैं आई थी हॉस्पिटल।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं रहता। हाँ 13 October 1970 and death is on 12/3/2011. हाँ 12/2/2011. In the memory of my beloved daughter, Kuku Khan, we are completing 40 days, and in her memory, we are praying and we invite everybody to please come and pray for her. कहाँ है डायरेक्टर साहब?
मैं तो आज ऐसे ही आई हूँ दोस्तों को मिलने के लिए, मास्टर जी को मिलने के लिए।
I don't regret a single moment in my life except for this moment where I could not save my daughter. क्या हो गया? रो क्यों रही? तेरी आंखें नहीं बन रही?
1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Digging. Sound. Camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right.
Lovely. Ready? One more.
One, two, three.
Very good, girls.